Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming here, thank you so much for coming. If you want oldie but a goodie, thank you. I love and appreciate you. I really do. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate my coffee table with me. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, my living room looks really messy. It's in the morning, everybody's sleeping, it's very quiet, and I just decided to decorate this table. It looks really trashy and dirty, and this is how it looks like. We were so tired last night and we went to sleep and left the living room looking this trashy. The kids play here a lot. And so you can see my daughter's toys and her flower. This flower is a whole story. She goes to the community when we go out for walks, picks up flowers and shares to everybody in the house. So right now we're just gonna organize this little space and get it going. At this point, all you see me do is just clean our mess. Now it's time to vacuum the rug. I'm just cleaning all the dirt on the rug, and I'll replace the table so I can clean the table. You know, this is glass table, so it always has to be clean and free of all those fingerprints that we see. I love decorating when the kids are asleep because when they get up and just see everything decorated, it's easier for them to accept the decor than when they are awake seeing you decorate. Because when they are awake and see you decorate, they want to imitate all you're doing. This tray is very important on your coffee table. You always want to have a tray on the coffee table because it keeps everything nice, clean, and organized. And I'll just go ahead and put a flower vase. This is a very cute flower vase. I got this from my co-wife, and she got this for us, for my mother-in-law and I really love it. Staggering books or fake books on your coffee table, it's always a good thing because it keeps your decoration looking nice, clean, and organized as well. We have come to the end of this, and this is what the coffee table looks like. It was very easy, straightforward, straight to the point, and yeah. I don't know where I got this from. I don't remember. They're very heavy. There's some marble top decoration. I really don't know where I got those from. I got all of these flowers, everything here except this vase from Ross. I got the fake books from Home Goods. I think I got this pink fake books from Home Goods. And that is it for my coffee table decoration. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Please, if you liked it, like, share, and give me a thumbs up. And please come back for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.